Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned accounts on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. In this page here, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find CapCut app. Then in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can then here you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.